Our little cat seems to be feeling a bit happier today. He's had a good clean with a wet wipe. I think the advice will be given from the cat people on our pages. I know, it was good advice. Because he seems, I've cleaned him all over his body with a wet wipe. And it seems to have made him very happy. I know. So there we have him. Feeling a little bit more content, aren't you? I know, little pirate. I know. I know. And we also have Ronaldo. Let's turn around to show Ronaldo. He's still not entirely himself, are you? There you go, Ronaldo. You look a little bit better today, don't you? A little bit happier, hey? Still not got too much to say for yourself, but I think you look a little bit less unwell. There we go, there's a good boy.